Hey everyone, how is it going? This is Noor Siddiq and you are watching Code Lovers. I have designed this course for the people who are completely beginners. Regardless you have a computer science background or not, you are welcome to this course. If you are a beginner, you are in right place, or maybe you are coming from a different background like me. I studied geology and went to business school. As a self-taught programmer, my intention is to help the beginners, people who are coming from different backgrounds or working somewhere else and thinking to start their journey in the web development area, or you wanted to quickly recap HTML. Are you excited? Cool. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover everything you need to know writing HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it describes the structure of web pages. This is not a programming language like JavaScript, PHP. It's a markup language. This language is used to create web pages. Almost every single page you browse every day on the internet is built with HTML. It is a lot easier than the way we think. It might be difficult and so many things to learn. If you learn how to write HTML, you can build web pages on your own. Trust me, I'm not gonna waste your time. Bear with me. You will learn everything required to create web pages. Those who enjoy only watching videos is fine, but I encourage you to write with me so you fully understand, practice, memorize, and you will be capable of building your own web pages end of this lesson. First, we need to set up environment. We need a text editor to write HTML codes. There are several programs available like Sublime, Atom, PyCharm, VS Code, and so on. Some people say Sublime or PyCharm might be the best software in this planet, and the others say VS Code or other text editors are the amazing text editors, but you always have a choice. So I am gonna use Sublime text editor. So it is already installed on my computer, and like I said, you have a choice. So just download and set up any text editor you prefer on your computer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, feel free to share with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.